For the first time in Supercross history, we have a round actually postponed for rain. Now, personally, I think this is good because, one, I absolutely hate rain races. I think, especially, a little rain is fine to where it's like cloppy, sticky dirt, that's perfectly fine. But when you have straight up downpours, just mud races, they're never good to watch. The jumps aren't jumps, everyone's just rolling over anything. All you're doing is destroying privateers' bikes for nothing. It's a boring race, and who cares? So to me, this is perfectly fine. And on screen, you're gonna see a bunch of like the funny little memes that have come out of this because that's all people have been looking at of just how wet it's going to be or supposed to have been for this race. So I'm actually excited for this. It does screw up the schedule a little bit because obviously now they moved it to the 18th of February. So that comes right after the Tampa round and between the Arlington round. So you're going to go Houston to Tampa to Oakland back to Arlington. So you're jumping coasts a lot. There's a lot of driving there for the privateers and stuff, but it is kind of good, in my opinion. It's going to be probably a more exciting race to watch. And there's a picture right there from yesterday, just how wet it was while they were even trying to build it. So you have to say, no matter how much they would have done, that track would have fallen apart within seconds. And this one was just funny to me. But on the bright side of things, there is a arena cross, the smaller brother to Supercross, the less exposure side of things. They put out this picture, and it's kind of smart for them to say, hey, you're not going to be racing. Obviously, you're not going to pull some of the factory guys, but the privateer guys that aren't going to be racing this week, if you're going to drive all the way to Oakland anyways, maybe drive, I think it's Arizona. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, I don't know. And, increased purse, you're still going to get to race, different audience maybe, and who knows. But you tell me in the comments below, what do you think of this? Good idea, bad idea? Would you still like to see the race? Are you happy they moved it to the 18th? Or whatever you want to say. Make sure to comment down below, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really helps me out playing the YouTube algorithm game. It's always nice. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.